What's up everyone, I'm Jackie YBT, tag away, tag everything. And today's main character is this ZNT ThunderBox Bluetooth speaker. It comes with Bluetooth 5.0. That means it delivers much better Bluetooth performance, faster transmit speed, and also stronger Bluetooth signal, up to 30 meters supposedly. Yeah, and without further ado, just unbox it. Yeah, okay, wrap it around with a thin plastic foil. Same thing, don't want to damage the box. Okay, that was smooth. At least better than the last two videos, the Razer the Essential mouse unboxing. That one took me quite a while to unbox it. Okay, very simple box. The front diagram of the ZNT ThunderBox. Okay, line art, very clean. At the side, you can see some of the spec. Output power 5 watt, battery is 1200 mAh, 3.7B. Product size 30.8 mm. Okay, it's not that big. Okay, this is the back of the product. Also in the outline art. Okay, there's a tab here. Oh, I really don't like this kind of packaging again. That would definitely destroy the box. Okay, wait. Oh, I didn't destroy it. Okay, a lot of things inside the box. Okay, let's take out the main thing. Okay, wrap around this thin layer of plastic wrap. You can see the same exact spec outside the box. Okay, FCC logo, all those stuff. So this is the power on-off mode switching. This is a pairing button. This is the volume button, short press volume button. If you long press it, previous track. So for this button, if you short press it, it's play, pause, music, answer, or end the call. If you double click it, read out the last number. If you long press it, reject the incoming calls. And for the volume up button, you short press, volume up. If you long press, next track. Looks quite pretty, very simplistic. The texture, this is matte finish, rubber kind of texture. It's not the greatest feeling ever. It's like a bit powderish. I don't know if there's a word for that. No, it's like a bit powder kind of feel. And this is the place where you can charge it. By the way, this Bluetooth speaker, it has a IPX7 water resistant rating. So splash proof, definitely no problem. You can put micro SD card here, and also charging with a micro USB cable. Yeah, let's see what else in the box. Yep, micro USB cable. I got this for 50 ringgit during the flash sales again. Usually the selling price is like 59 ringgit, so it's a pretty cheap Bluetooth speaker. As for this thing, the only idea I can think of to use this thing is to suck it at the bottom of the speaker and you lay it like this. I guess so. And what was that? The speaker, it will turn off by itself after I don't know how many minutes idle. Okay, what else? Manual guide. Nobody gonna raise it. But if you want to raise it, you can pause it. Just some basic information about this product. Yeah, more spec. It weighs at 210 grams. It's not that light, but it's not that heavy at the same time. Say okay. This weight is around your iPhone 11 Pro. Maybe iPhone 11 Pro is much heavier. Oh, by the way, it comes with a wrist strap. You can adjust your wrist strap by pressing this button and then you just drag it useful feature. So when you play it, you can hang it with your wrist. You won't drop it that easily. Yeah, look at this. Okay, I'm gonna test it out. So the reason why I get this ZNT ThunderBox Bluetooth speaker is, first thing, there's not many videos about this ZNT ThunderBox on YouTube. Secondly, I like to sing while I'm taking shower. So I need a Bluetooth speaker just so that I can put in my bathroom. I don't need to use my phone, put inside bathroom and risk of damage it, because you know all the steam water, that steam will go in your phone, create a humid environment, and that is not good for electronic device. But this one is water resistant, so it's okay, perfectly fine for that. So let's test it out. I'm gonna turn on first, see whether got juice or not. Oh, pretty loud, pretty loud. Don't worry, in-depth review will coming soon after I'm using it for maybe a month or a few weeks. Yeah, try not to procrastinate. Device or not. Yeah, it's on. So, oh, there's a LED light indicator to show that this thing is on. I can see it right now. Now, ThunderBox. So very simple, you just turn on and it will find your device. Just connect. Done. Very fast connect. I just click connect and straight away connected. Let's play some music, non-copyrighted music. I don't want to get copyright strike. Not bad at all. I'm gonna play to the loudest. As you heard just now, it's pretty loud and the sound is not too bad. I will give my thoughts after intensive using it. So that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the review. Please subscribe, click the thumbs up, click the bell icon so that you can receive notification when my video is out. Comment down in the comment section below. Share it to your friends and family. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.